A friend of mine thought it was a good idea to let me test his new toy. He gave me his WG2, a gimbal that is designed to smooth out GoPros before the introduction of HYPERSMOOTH technology. So the question is, do you need to shell out $450 for the Hero 7 Black? Or can you hypersmooth a Hero 5 with this gimbal?
Hello, my name is Leech once again, and welcome to another review of mine. This time it's about something that a friend of mine brought to me and said I should review it because I don't know why he's not doing it himself. His name is Norman, who calls himself Hyperlace, a link up there. He's into longboarding and therefore smooth footage is an absolute must. And since his creative mind also explores all kinds of 3D printed stuff, he surely thought about how he could make his GoPro Hero 5 as smooth as possible. But I guess that actually didn't work out because he ordered the WG2 and actually tested it, used it to its limits, as you can see in the video that he uploaded last, and then gave the unit to me to review it as well, and I'll do that. And since I'm not into longboarding or doing anything with speed, mud, or going downhill on something that I can't control, I need to find another way to test out the smoothness of this device without our flawed human sense of balance. But first, some random technobabble about the gimbal itself. Feiyutech WG2, first generation of an action cam gimbal. Weight 265 grams, battery life is 2.5 hours, charging time is 2 hours. Modes, it has a lot of modes. 360-degree rotation, pan, follow, tilt and vlogging mode. It has an auto rotation mode like the big gimbal, water and splash proof as the website says. It is actually compatible with a lot of different action cameras. Since the WG2 has two screw mounts, one on the bottom and one on the back, this can also be used as a gimbal or vlogging device. And let's just assemble it this way with my spare parts that I have lying next to me. And now, after having checked all the boxes, let's actually get out and test shoot some footage and actually see how smooth WG2 is. So guys, final verdict. After using it for 2 days now, I don't know what it is about it. I really like the form factor and that it's compact. After watching to the footage and all, it feels really fluid and smooth. It is not as smooth as a GoPro Hero 7 and therefore I have to check the box and say nope, I'm sorry, it is not hyper smooth, but it is actually quite smooth for the first version. I haven't tested the WG2X, that's the newest one that came out 6 months before or something. I only tested this one and well, my big gimbal and the Scion Q, that's the handy or smartphone gimbal in this case, and every one of those made their job really well and really good. But this one is actually pretty cool. I've seen some videos as well as even while biking and stuff, it felt really smooth, the footage that I saw. And actually I have to say, if I would be skateboarding, longboarding, electro scooting, whatever, something with speed, dirt and mud or puddles or racing downhill or whatever, if there was no Euro 7 and HYPERSMOOTH technology or Osmo Pocket, I would be actually interested in buying WG2 because that's what it says it does. It smooths out your GoPro footage, and therefore, congratulations. If you actually like the video, click on the like button or consider subscribing so that you actually get more videos from me and content, and that would actually help the channel really much. Turns out, if you click on it, thank you very much. If you don't click on it, get the fuck off my channel. My name was Leech, and see you next weekly video. I would say see you next video. Bye.